Hello, good evening. This is Rajesh. So today we are going to see about InstaOptions and combined premium chart especially. So I just want to know how many of you are new to InstaOptions and how many of you want in English or Hindi. Please let me know in chat box. Accordingly, we'll plan. आपको हिंदी में चाहिए तो आप हिंदी टाइप कर दीजिए. इंग्लिश है तो English. Both are okay. Fine. Okay. Mix. Done. Uh, I'll do it mixed. Okay. So I'll explain once in English. Then later on, I'll just tell you once in Hindi as well. Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you so much. So how many of you are new? I'm new. Fine. One new. Okay. See, actually, uh, this is an analytical platform. You might have seen many other platforms which does analytical using OA, volume, and price action, right? So here what we are going to do mostly we are going to concentrate only on OA, okay, open interest data. So we are concentrating on everything based on open interest data. So this is how big players like institutions and FNIs, like HNIs, they will do what they will do. They take positions and then move the market according to their positions, right? So we are going to do just check how is the OA condition in our with the help of our platform, and then we are going to take a trade. Okay, so you cannot say that here if our data is showing bullish, market is going to be bullish, and if our data is bearish, market is going to be bearish. It is not like that. But this, if you have a setup, then you can add this together with your setup, and you can increase the probability of winning of your strategy or whatever it is. Okay, so this is just going to help you to to make your trades matured and more disciplined. Okay, so this is dashboard. आप इधर देख सकते हैं इंस्टा ऑप्शंस का डैशबोर्ड है. I've just logged in with TradeSmart credentials. It is very easy. You need to use your client code and a password. After that, you'll get an OTP, 4-digit OTP. You need to enter that and you can log in here. Okay. So for that, you need to Google Insta Options, and there you can select TradeSmart. Okay. So it's very simple. आप जैसा आपका ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में एंटर कर रहे हो, ऐसे ही इधर भी एंटर कर सकते हैं. ओके, वेरी सिंपल. नाउ basically today I'm going to cover a topic which is called combined premium. Okay, so last week we covered a topic which is called trending OI sentiment. Today we are going to cover a topic which is combined premium analysis. This is what is our topic today. This is very simple topic, but if you use it effectively, you can make consistent money out of it. Okay, so mostly I use this only for option selling, but it can be used for option buying as well. I will just tell you a few patterns and strategies, and you can just it means you can just improve those strategies as per your whatever your strategy you have, and as per your experience. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a base idea of what is common premium, how it is derived, and see what is common premium, how the combined premium is calculated for buy and sell combination, and the significance. See what is the use of combined premium chart, an intraday option buying strategy using combined premium, and option selling strategy using combined premium chart. Okay, and one more thing I wanted to add here is jackpot expiry day trade. You can do it using a small indicator. You can add any indicator, and you can do a jackpot trade as well, like hero or zero. That is also possible. But the thing is, probability of those trades will be very less, and the risk to reward is also very high. So you need to have a lot of patience, and people with lesser capital can go for that high risk game. Or if you have enough capital, then you can go with 1% of your capital for this jackpot trades. Okay, so this is only just to add some interest in this topic. Otherwise, if you are matured enough trader, then it is always better to go for option selling using combined premium chart. This is what I do normally. Okay. Yeah, so this is the topics that we are going to cover today. So initially we'll start with what is combined premium. Okay, so before that, so whoever is new, I will just go through what is there in our platform. Just a minute. So you can see the screen, right? Okay, so let's start now. See, this is the dashboard. आप इधर देख सकते हैं ऑप्शन डेटा स्ट्रैटेजी है और ऑर्डर्स एंड फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस. सो दिस ऑल वेरी सिंपल प्लेटफॉर्म. आपको इधर है मार्केट्स, इंडेक्स कंट्रीब्यूटर्स, फाइंड स्ट्रैटेजी. मार्केट्स में क्या क्या है? निफ्टी, बैंक निफ्टी चार्ट्स है, और फिर निफ्टी, मिड कैप निफ्टी है. लाइक विद इन 1 or 2 months we'll be adding सेंसेक्स as well. Okay, आप इधर देख सकते हैं लाइक लॉन्ग बिल्डअप, शॉर्ट कवरिंग, लॉन्ग अनविंडिंग, ये सब स्टॉक्स का है. दिस ऑल बेस्ड ऑन वही चेंज. ओके, वट एवर वही देर वॉज चेंज इन ओपन इंटरेस्ट, so accordingly this will be categorized here. So using this also you can just take a trade. So if you haven't if you haven't attended previous sessions, you can watch our videos which we have already posted. The previous sessions video we have posted in InstaOptions YouTube channel. Okay, and on the bottom you can see advanced and decline stocks. You can just toggle here and आप इधर देख सकते हैं. ठीक है, लाइक फिर निफ्टी मिड कैप और सबको मिला का भी इधर है. ठीक है, index contributors, this is one interesting topic here. See, here you can see which share has contributed, like which stock has contributed for how many points of the movement. So whether you are using it or not, but this will be useful to see if let's say if bank nifty, for bank nifty, if HDFC bank is bullish, obviously bank nifty will be bullish. If ICICI bank is bullish, then if both together is bullish, then we can go plan only for the buy side or call side. Okay, or call buying or put selling. So our view can be also bullish view. If both are negative, then our view can be bearish view. If both are like sideways, then today is going to be sideways. So that like that also you can just categorize using this index contributors. Okay, so here you can see last change, LTP change. Okay, from last close, previous day close till now, whatever is the change, it is going to indicate it here. So same like निफ्टी में भी यही है, लेकिन इधर आपका सेक्टर भी है. लाइक बैंक निफ्टी हैज ओनली वन सेक्टर, बट निफ्टी में लाइक देयर आर मोर देन 10 सेक्टर्स. इधर भी आप देख सकते हैं लाइक कौन सा सेक्टर स्ट्रांग है अभी आज का दिन में इंट्राडे में, और कौन सा सेक्टर वीक है. सो इफ यू हैव एनी sell trades in this sector, let's say power sector and telecommunication sector, then you can go for that trade. Okay, if the complete sector is positive and if you have sell trade, better to avoid the trade. Okay, so this is how we can just improvise our strategy. Okay, yeah. Okay, then fin nifty, we have all those stocks. Okay, whatever is there, so the same goes with fin nifty and mid cap as well. Okay, so here we can find the strategy. If your view is bullish, then you can just, let's say on nifty today my view is neutral. Okay, and I'm going for next expiry, means present expiry 29 to 2024. I can just go on find strategy. So here you can see short triangle in different combinations, and if you want to execute this, you can just go on execute. If you want to analyze also, you can just analyze here. It will give you the payoff chart, and if you want to see this all or normal, like you can see in any platform the same thing. And if you want to place the orders, आप इधर orders को place कर सकते हैं. So very simple, place orders, execute. ठीक है, execute हो जाएगा. Now see, it all got rejected because we are out of market hours. Okay, see, that's it about find strategy. आपका view positive है तो positive sell करना है, करके find strategy click करना है. उसके बाद आपको एक like combinations of spreads आपको मिलेगा. ठीक है, ऐसे ही नेगेटिव को भी. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट ऑप्शंस डेटा. ऑप्शंस डेटा में ऑप्शंस चेन है. सी whenever you see strike price in this platform, wherever you see a strike price, you can buy and sell. So that is one very easy, and you can do it very fast as well. So you can see buy and sell here. Okay, so you can, if you want to sell, you can just toggle this here, sell, पुट को चेंज करना है तो इधर चेंज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। और एक्सपायरी, नंबर ऑफ लॉट्स एंड strike price, order type, everything is here, so you can do it. Okay, you can change it. If you want to have like a default, if you want to change to four lots or 10 lots or 30 lots, you can go to settings. इधर जाके आपको लाइक आपको चाहिए तो 10 लॉट्स भी कर सकते हैं, और ऑर्डर्स को लिमिट में कर सकते हैं, एंड CNC भी कर सकते हैं। ओके, सेव करने के बाद आपका हर एक बाई एंड सेल में यही सेटिंग्स आ जाएगा, ठीक है। बाई, यू कैन सी हियर 10, and whatever we have set MIS limit, everything will be there. So this will become your default setting. Okay, so here you can change if you are selling in a combination like sell and buy, like iron counter. If you are going, then you can select yes, so that first buy orders will get placed. Once buy order is executed, आपका sell order execute हो जाएगा, ठीक है। Done. So this is as same as you see in any option chain. There is nothing great in this. Apart from this, we have OA statistics. OA statistics. This bit interesting. You can see here cumulative OA, and you can see call OA is higher, which will indicate that market will not move upside, right? Okay, and here also you can see here whichever strike price you see, if you want to sell, you can just click there and then you can execute the trade. Okay, if you want to sell, if you want to buy also, you can change and execute the trade. See, that's what I said. Wherever you see strike price, आप किधर किधर ये strike price देख रहे हो, आप उधर से आपका buy or order, sell order execute कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। Trending OA, this is the topic which we discussed in last webinar. Already you can find this InstaOptions introduction video. You can find that video. It is available in chat box. Sandeep has already posted it. Okay, so you can take that reference. And this is very interesting topic, and it will be useful for everyone if you are going for intraday trade. But today, even this strategy has taken for a toss. It has given many entries because completely market was in sideways direction. Okay, so it is not that every strategy will work every day. Sometimes you will face some bad days in any strategy. Okay, and so detailed video is there. So it is of around 40 minutes. You can watch that video. Okay, for trending OI and trending OI sentiment, how this is derived and everything else. Put call ratio, this is very normal. Like whenever the PCR is more than 1, it is going to be bullish. If it is less than 1, then it is going to be bearish. It's as simple as that. Okay, and this is option chart where what ATM strikes will be available here, and we can see if you want to remove the price, you can just click on this and you can see what is the OA on ATM strike. Okay, and you can see the combined OA of both ATM and both call and put ATMs. Okay, so according to this also you can place it. You can see here ATM strike, there is no much change. It was completely flat. The entire day was flat, but market was going up and down, but entire day ended complete flat. Okay, and yeah, that's it about this. Now we'll go into our topic, combined premium chart. So what is combined premium chart? So today's first topic, which is what is combined premium chart. मैं मैक्सिमम 20 मिनट्स में सब कुछ को कवर कर दूंगा। उसके बाद 15-20 मिनट्स हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे, और आपका क्वेश्चंस भी आप पूछ सकते हैं, ठीक है। व्हाट इज कम्बाइंड प्रीमियम चार्ट? कम्बाइंड प्रीमियम, इधर आप देख सकते हो, लाइक देयर आर टू डिफरेंट प्रीमियम्स, ओके, एंड इफ यू ऐड दिस टू, इट इज 53, 54, sorry, 104, okay, 103, 102.45. It will be exactly same. Yeah, 102.3515. So there is slight difference now, but during market hours, you can see this two both. If you add this two, you will get that price here. Okay, so this is going to give you the combination of premium. If you buy this, you need to pay this much. If you sell this also, you will collect that much of premium. Okay, what is the advantage and how we can trade that? I will explain you. Okay, see, now we need to know if we add more legs. Let's say I add more legs on the sell side. Okay, close. So by default, there will be two legs of current week expiry, and it will be OTMs. Okay. And if you add more, then if you add these four, if all are in sell side, if you add all these four, then you will get this figure. Okay. So which is 300.45, right? So we'll get this figure. So if you are going to do hedging, let's say you are going to sell two strikes and hedge on the other two strikes. Can anyone say how the combined premium will be calculated? Now I'm going to change this to buy. I'm going to sell, and then I'm going to hedge on the call and put. I'm going to hedge. So can anyone just try how will the combined premium get calculated? Yeah, just post in the chat box. Just 1 minute. You can just give it a try. How the combined premium will be calculated for buy and sell together. Combined premium कैसा calculate होगा, buy and sell दोनों मिला के, like how it will get calculated. Just give it a try. Okay, so this is no, not average of all four. If it is sell, then all buy, it is going to be sum of all four. Okay, 93.85. Okay, how is combined premium calculated for buy and sell combination? This is what we are going to cover now. 95 point. Okay, see. Net credit, exactly, that is correct. See, now we have sold this two, okay? So we need to add this two, and we have bought this two. We need to add this two and subtract both. So whatever, exactly, if you say it is net credit, that is the right term to define. So when we are selling and buying, if it is a debit, then whatever is the debit will be the combined premium. If it is a credit, then whatever is the credit will be the combined premium, right? So we can say you need to add this two and add those buys and subtract from sell to buy. If it is opposite, then you are going to subtract buy to sell. That's it. Okay. So this is how your combined premium will be calculated for buy and sell. Why I'm telling you this is because normally we buy hedges, and okay, now let me change this to ATM 22,200, right? 22,200. 22,200, and I'll go for 500, 10 strikes away. So 22,700 call. And 21,700 put. Okay. So what is the advantage? Here we are, oh, sorry. Yeah, that is right. 22,200. Yeah, both are right. What is the advantage of this? We have hedges, both the sides. So your maximum loss is going to be limited, like not more than 50,000, no? 10 strikes away, right? 50,000, not more than 50,000. And when you have combined premium chart here, you can do an easy thing. You don't have to place a stop loss for each and every leg. Okay. So if you place a stop loss, let's say today, if you have placed the stop loss, just a minute, let me open Nifty chart here. See, and one big advantage of our InstaOptions platform is you can find everything here. Like you have trading view charts here. You can place orders here, and you can see your orders also here. So that if you once you log in into this, आपका ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में लॉग इन करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. ठीक है, सब कुछ इधर ही मिलेगा आपको. Okay, so that is the biggest advantage. Now I'm going to open Nifty chart. So I'll add here Nifty chart. See. Okay, so we can see market shot up from yesterday low 21,880 to 22, almost 400 points it shot up, right? Let's see what happened in the combined premium. So from yesterday till now, this combined premium has come down. Okay, so even though market shot up so much, combined premium, we made decent money. Okay, So this is what is the advantage of combined premium. Okay, so what will happen if you have kept a stop loss of individual leg? Now let's go into the next topic. Um, Significance of using combined premium chart. See, okay, if you have placed a stop loss for individual leg, let's say I've placed a stop loss, market shot up from low levels and it reached around 400 points from yesterday low to today high, right? Which means call premium will increase. Without any doubt, call premium will increase. And when call premium is increasing, the same time, even the put premium will reduce, right? If the put premium reduces more than the call premium, then obviously your combined premium is going to reduce. If you are an option seller, we are going to make money even in this kind of movement. Okay, so that is the advantage of being an using the combined premium. Okay, so in this case, if you had a stop loss for call option, I'm 100% sure it would have hit, and we will not be able to make money if market reverses again. If it didn't reverse, that is altogether it is a different case. But normally market will not move in single direction. Market कभी भी like एक ही डायरेक्शन में नहीं जाएगा, वो थोड़ा सा जाएगा, उसके बाद रिट्रेसमेंट लेगा, उसके बाद भी like it will continue its movement, right? So in those cases we will always hit our stop loss, and if market reverses we'll hit stop loss on both the sides, or else if you trail your stop loss you will end up in no loss no gain or with the small losses. Okay, but you cannot make money if market is moving up and down. But if you are using, if you are a seller and if you use this chart, then I'm very sure your stop losses can be fixed and it can be for both the legs, and then you can roll over. That can be done. Okay, so here stop loss will be also very less. So when to enter, how to enter, I have a few setups I will just share with you. And if you have any idea, then you can tell me. वो भी मैं अभी मीन जस्ट आपको दिखा सकता है, ठीक है? Okay, so what is the significance of using combined premium chart? We don't have to place stop loss for single leg, and we can place stop loss for multiple legs, or like if you are doing a straddle or strangle, you can come for 2 legs, you can place a stop loss and then leave it. So if we have your hedges slightly nearby, let's say if you are having hedges only 6 strikes away, so in that case, what will happen? Even the hedges premium will increase, and that will give you a buffer. But obviously, your overall profit will reduce. Still, you will be more safer, right? 22,200, 500, 22,500. Yes. So in this case, you can see that was slightly volatile, but this chart is more like smoother, like, see, because when the market is moving on the upper side, your call premium is going to increase, and your hedge is also going to give you slight buffer. Okay. Yeah, you can keep writing your doubts. I will tell you, I mean, we'll discuss end of the session. Okay, so maybe in 10 more minutes I'll finish this. Okay, so this is what we can do it. But when there is a huge gap up and gap down, even this hedges will save us sometimes. See, like what happened today, आज भी आपका इधर huge like gap up था, gap up के बाद वो retrace हो गया. Okay, so you don't have to immediately rush to exit your trade because you have a combined stop loss, no? So this will help you a lot. Okay, so in this case, yesterday market was around 21,800, but here I've just directly taken 22,200. So for our clarity, we can keep both 22,000. And 500 points away, 21,500 put. Okay, so yesterday this would have been a different case. And here, if you see, if you go for 22,000 sell, then see, it would have started by last week. Okay, you need to start with 1 week prior. Okay, so if this week is expiry, then you need to start 2 weeks before, so that you will get higher premium, and even if the market moves violently, you will not get affected so much. Okay, so for intraday, if you want to go, you need to go only on the OTMs. If you are going for a positional trade, then you can go for ATMs or any round figure, like if it is 21,000, 22,000, 21,500, you can go for that because their OAs will be very high. Okay, so normally we need to check where the OA is very high and then we can go for that. Now, very rarely you will find both OA like in 22,000 or 21,500, both are same, and normally it will be 5 or 10 strikes away. Okay, so you can select like that. So if you have selected this just on yesterday, then we might have ended in losses. But what we can do, कभी भी market ऊपर ऊपर जा रहे तो आपका strike को roll कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? So at any point of time, the premium has to become zero. So you can capture that. So maybe here we made a loss of 50 points, then one more 50 points, one more 50 points, but finally it has to come to like it has to settle down somewhere, right? There we can make good money. Okay, so that can be done. Okay, so this is what is the significance of comment premium chart. So next thing, we'll see how to go for an intraday option buying strategy using this. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this too. So today morning, where was the market? Was around 22,200. So I'll select ATM. 22,200. Sorry, 22,200. Okay, and I will add one indicator, simple moving average. Moving average. Okay, and I'm going to change the default setting to 20. So I will wait in the morning. I will just wait for price to cross above this line. Okay, it should not be above. Even if it is above, then I'm not going to trade. I want the price to be below in the day and I want it to cross. Okay, so you can see here the price was below and it crossed here, right? So at this point, like 10:15, we need to see which direction market is trying to go. Okay, so now I have ATM strikes, and if the premiums are increasing, which means market will be moving in one direction. Okay, the combined premium is reducing means market is going to be in a sideways direction or slight volatility and it is going to end in sideways direction. Okay, so you need to select whenever the price is below the simple moving average and if it is crossing above and closing above the simple moving average. Here you can see it has closed, right? 10:15. So at 10:15 you need to check in the chart where was the market. 10:15 it was going on the upside, right? So we can go for a option buying of call option. So here it has given a breakout in our combined premium. It has given a clear breakout, or you can just wait for the price to move above this high and then you can enter the trade. Okay, so we got one stop loss here, we got one more stop loss here, and you can keep the stop loss very less because whenever the premium is moving, combined premium is moving higher, that momentum will be very high. Only then it will go. Otherwise, in the next candle, the market will reverse and you can exit the trade. So you can just keep the stop loss when the combined premium is going below the previous low. Okay. So selection of strike of entering, it all depends on you. Like you can select ATM, ITM, OTM, anything that will do. But for reference, we are going to take ATM only. Okay. So इधर अब हम लोग को रेफरेंस लाइक मैंने इधर SMA 20 SMA यूज किया था. इसके ऊपर आपका कभी भी 5 मिनट्स कैंडल क्लोज हो रहा है, लाइक कंबाइंड प्रीमियम का 5 मिनट्स कैंडल क्लोज हो रहा है, आप तभी आपका एंट्री लेना चाहिए. आपको लाइक 10:15 में क्लोज हुआ, आपका निफ्टी में जाके 10:15 में किस साइड में जा रहा है वो देखना है. उसके बाद उस साइड में आपको ट्रेड्स लेना है. ठीक है. सो बहुत सिंपल है, लेकिन आपका probability of this trade is lesser, but risk to reward is very हाई. If the combined premium is moving higher, which means market is trending in one direction. It would have happened even yesterday. And see, let's say if you have entered here, okay, let's say we have entered here, then the market will move in one direction. See, you can see here combined premium is moving 200 points, 150 points, which means call side premium will move double than that. Getting my point? Because this is going to give you the erosion, like premium decay in the put side also. Okay. So when the combined premium is going 50, 60 points, which means call side premium will go 70, 80, like more than double also, sometimes even double. Okay. So that's what will happen. You need to keep your stop loss very, very minimal here. And you can do multiple re-entries, not an issue, but stop loss should be maintained very strictly. Only then you will be able to make money. If you wait for the candle to go below this low, then you will end up making more losses. Okay. So this is a good option buying strategy. If you want to use, then you can just um, try many different kind of things using super trend. You can use bulling and anything, you can use it just to identify when there is a momentum in the market. So next topic will be same thing. We are going to do option selling. Okay. So intraday option selling, how to use this? Exactly same I'm going to do. I'm not going to do anything else here. I'm going to see whenever the price is going and closing below the SMA. Okay. But the only thing is, if at 9:30, if the price is already below SMA also, I can enter. Okay. So which is indicating us the combined premium is already weak. Okay. But where option buyer needs good momentum, option seller does not need that, right? So we don't have to wait for the premium to go up and come down to close below this. No, not necessary. We can enter if at 9:30, if the combined premium is already below the SMA. So for selling, I use 30. Okay. So here we are going to use 30 SMA instead of 20 SMA. Okay. So morning at 9:30, yes, combined premium was 333, and I will exit. Like I'm going to sell both call and put. Here I'm going to sell either you can sell ATM or you can go for 6 OTMs or like 4, 5 OTMs also. Okay. So everything will do. But reference, I'm going to take only this chart. I'm not going to take OTM chart or like OTM 1 or 2, whatever strike you are taking. I'm not going to take that because here stop loss will always be lesser. But when you are going in the OTM chart, after a good decay, when you wait for the price to come and close above this SMA, then almost you'll be in a very bad losses. Okay. So reference is always going to be ATM. So इधर आपको क्या चाहिए? करंट कैंडल का क्लोज ये SMA के नीचे होना चाहिए. उसके बाद आपको like call and put दोनों को sell करना है. ठीक है? So here we'll see how many stop losses we have taken today. One entry stop loss, right? So stop loss is very less, only 3 or 4 points. Then again one entry, then stop loss. We can see here stop loss is again 4 points. Then here one entry, your stop loss was maybe around 10 points. But if you have hold to that from 326 till the end of the day, see, you can get at least some, if you have good hedges, you can make at least 1 to 2%. Okay. So, but you made a loss of around 10 points or 15 points for that matter. Even 25 points is good enough for an option seller. Okay. So this is how we can do option selling using the combined premium chart. And not only SMA, you can use any indicator, whichever you are familiar with. But you can see here we got an entry at 940. So will you enter here? I will not enter just because my stop loss is very high. I will enter wherever my stop loss is like only 10 points, 15 points, not more than that. Okay. So will I enter here? I will obviously enter because my stop loss is very less. Whenever it is closing above, then I can go. And you can keep a fixed stop loss like 10 points only. Okay. Not more than that. So that if the candle closes here somewhere, then you are going to lose 20, 25 points. You will not make that much of money. So you don't want to lose that much also. So I will enter here, 3 stop loss done. I will enter here. Then you can see after 3 stop loss of 10 points each, then how much we might have made from 383 till end of the day. So we always need to hold this till end of the day, around 50 points. Okay, still we made 20 points in that. So this looks like 10 points, 15 points, 20 points look like very small figure, but when you convert into percentage, when you are doing it with 15, 20, 30 lots, it's a big money. And you will get consistent returns also from this. Okay. So this is what our combined premium buying and selling strategy. Okay. So the last one, we are going to go for jackpot on expiry day. So whichever is the expiry day, we need to select a premium which is around less than 100 rupees. Okay. So 100 rupees in the sense, if lot size is, let's say, for Bank Nifty it is 15, then we need to select a premium which is 6 or 7 rupees. Okay. So even if you want to select around 200 rupees also, it's okay. Like 10 to 15 points in the premium. Okay. In the premium, if it is 10 to 15 points, you need to take both the charts, like a call and put, you need to go for both 10 premium. Okay. 10 or 15 points premium. And you need to plot the same thing. Now, what I'm going to do today, today expiry in Sensex now. So we will not be able to do today, but we can go for any other, what was there? Okay, Fin Nifty will go. Just a minute. Mid cap will be on Monday, right? So this will be more relevant now. Okay, mid cap, I will select a premium. Here's 75 now. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm selecting a premium which is around 17 or 18. So see here, I'm just showing you an example. So, oh, sorry. Which too less. Okay, we'll go on the other side also same. It is not necessary you need to select here. You can select it in the option chain also. Okay, let's say 3 points on both the sides. You can see here the premium. Okay, here also you need to have 20 SMA. Okay, so you keep 20 SMA, and whenever the combined premium is closing above 20 SMA, and you need to find which direction the market is moving, and on that direction you need to buy. It is very simple. Okay, let's say yesterday when it was 23, today only. Today at 12:30, we have got a signal. Exactly at 12:30, we have got a signal of buy, right? So at this point, we need to go and buy. Which premium we need to check in the chart. First, we'll go here and go for mid cap. Mid cap. Okay, we'll see at what time it happened. 12:25. So at 12:25 here. So it is moving on the call side, right? So either we can buy futures, or we can buy a call option. Or see, for expiry, it is better to go for buy only. Don't go for sell or futures. Okay. So this is going to give you the momentum. You can buy future, you can sell put, anything. You can go for any strike. But if you want to play only in hero or zero, then it is better to go with OTMs. And where the premiums less than 200 rupees, or like 4 or 5 points in mid cap, and 15 points in Bank Nifty, and like same 6 or 7 points in Nifty. Okay, not more than that. So even 200 rupees or 300 rupees is more than enough. Okay, so here we are going to enter on the call side. I want to buy call premium. Okay, so at 12:25, I want to buy call premium. Let's see how much was the call premium. So I'm going to delete put here. 12:25. मेरा premium था around 15 rupees. So you can enter here, and then you can just keep a stop loss when the premium is closing below the single premium. Okay, this is not combined premium. ये single premium है, कौन सा, like call का single premium है. Single premium SMA 20 के नीचे close होने के बाद आपको exit करना है. ठीक है, don't hope and wait for it, then it will become zero for sure. And you need to exit here. So sometimes when the market is shooting up, like what happened on yesterday, premium which was 22,000 was around 10 points and it reached 200 points. Okay, so this happened, and with this setup, we took a trade, and it was very great. I just took 2 lots. I don't want to risk more than 1,000 rupees in that trade, and it really made very good money. Okay, so that can be done. I think it was around 13:20 or 25, like 1:20 or 1:25 p.m. It gave a good signal, and I just entered 2 lots, and that is very good rewarding. Okay, so this can be done only on expiry. Other days it will not work much. Okay, so when there is expiry, it is going to give you very clear direction. Yeah, so this is how we can just do it. Okay, so if you want to trade with Hero Zero, we can also try it like this. Okay, so now that's it. My presentation is done. So if you have any doubts, okay, I'll just show you this also. So whatever orders you have placed here, it can be seen in position book, orders book. See, just now I placed this now, which got rejected. So trade book, everything you can find it here. Okay, so if you have any doubts on what was our session on, just please tell me in the chat box, or if you want me to unmute, let me know. I'll unmute. Okay, so we will not be able to place. The question is combined premium stop loss. How to place? How to place a stop loss on combined? We cannot place the stop loss. Okay, we need to wait for this. We need to be on screen only. Screen time will be higher. Yes. Okay. Yeah, so if you have any doubts, you can just shoot me. And what was the doubt here was combined premium stop loss. How to place combined premium stop loss? See, now it is not available. But लेकिन 2-3 महीने में हम लोग means this option will be available. ये option available हो जाएगा. ठीक है. अभी के लिए आपको स्क्रीन में ही रहना पड़ेगा. आपको means स्क्रीन देख के ही एग्जिट करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. First question was that. So you have to be on screen. And you need to exit. Okay, so yeah, session will be available in our YouTube channel maybe on Monday or Tuesday, so you can just check that. And if you want to learn more about it, you can also watch my Grow Smart with Trading. Here you have playlist of InstaOptions. Okay, so you can just check here also, and I've posted a lot of webinars also here. You can also learn about Quantman in this YouTube channel. Okay, and I'll keep posting all those videos in InstaOptions tutorial. Okay, and एक problem है इसमें, we cannot pop out chart to other window. Can we do? No, can you please explain me? We cannot pop out chart with other window in the sense. Can you please explain me? Can I unmute you, Mr. Ganpat? I didn't get your point actually. CA Ganpat. Yeah. Can you please speak out and ask your query?
हेलो।
Yeah, please go ahead.
हाँ सर, ये जो है हम लोग ये चार्ट जो है ना पॉप आउट नहीं होता है क्या उसमें?
कौन सा?
अलग यही चार्ट को हम लोग बाहर करना नॉर्मल केस में जाता है, ये तो फुल हो जाता है, स्किप करके बाहर जाता है, ठीक है ना? ओके, तो अपना जो है ना फुल चार्ट रहता है, जैसे कि ट्रेडिंग व्यू में आता है या बाकी प्लेटफॉर्म पे आता है, तो अलग अलग चार्ट खोलना है समझो, तो ये नहीं होता है इसमें।
ओके, गॉट इट. मैंने लाइक टेक टीम को बोल देगा, और ये गुड पॉइंट. मैंने टेक
क्यों?
टीम को
क्योंकि
बोल.
ये जो हो रहा है ना सर, जैसे कि अपना इसमें सेव
हम्म,
टेम्पलेट वगैरह वो भी करना है, या अलग अलग कैसे होता है, ये तो पूरा मटेरियल यहाँ पे ही आ जाता है, ये ऑप्शन भी आ गया, ऑप्शन चेन भी आ गया, सब स्ट्रेटेजी भी आ गया, ऑप्शन भी आ गया, तुम्हारे पोजीशन भी इधर ही आते हैं, तो यहाँ से
हाँ
उधर जाए फिर वापस चार्ट को सेटल करना पड़ता है।
हाँ
तो
हाँ हाँ, ओके
वो
ओके.
हम लोग क्या है कि 4-5 विंडो खोले, इसका एक ऑप्शन का रखा, निफ्टी का रखा, बैंक निफ्टी का रखा, तो अलग अलग उसको कॉम्बिनेशन में रखे, या वो का देखा, तो उसके लिए थोड़ा सा क्या होता है, सेम प्लेटफॉर्म पे ओपन करना पड़ता है, अदरवाइज चार्ट चार्ट नहीं मिलता है, तो चार्ट में ड्राइंग भी करना है तो वो सेव रहता है, या उसको वो बहुत ईजी हो जाता है, नहीं तो फिर क्या दूसरा प्लेटफॉर्म देखना पड़ता है, या दूसरा प्लेटफॉर्म चेक करना पड़ता है उसके लिए।
ठीक है, मैं टेक टीम को बोल देता हूँ. ये सजेशन अच्छा सजेशन है, हम लोग
हाँ
इसको कर देंगे. ठीक है.
करेक्ट। तो फिर उसमें क्या कि अलग अलग टेम्पलेट भी सेव कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि मैंने
हाँ 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 हाँ।
जैसे आपने बोले कि 4 इंडिकेटर लगाना है, आप लगा लो जो भी है करके, है ना।
ठीक है
तो वो
ठीक
भी
है।
हम लोग वहां पे कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि वो कंबाइन चार्ट वाला ही ज्यादा ये है, बाकी तो सब जगह पे अवेलेबल होता है।
हाँ
कंबाइन
हाँ।
चार्ट का थोड़ा सा एनालिसिस के लिए अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे, तो इसके लिए मैं सोच रहा हूँ।
ठीक है ठीक ठीक। थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू सो मच फॉर सजेशन। ओके सो व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, जस्ट अ मिनट।
और उसमें भी सर जब भी हम लोग एग्जिट पोजीशन करते हैं ना, ठीक है ना, तो
हाँ।
जो डिफॉल्ट है ना, नॉर्मल क्या है कि वहां पे जो है ना, अभी नॉर्मल हम लोग कोई भी ऑर्डर देखते हैं ना, तो वहां
हम्म।
पे क्या होता है, इजी होता है आपको एसएल लगाना है, एसएल करना है करके। तो यहाँ पे जो होता है ना, ये थोड़ा सा ना, जो भी फास्ट एग्जीक्यूशन हम लोग करते हैं ना, तो
हाँ
ये
हाँ
थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी हो जाता है, मतलब आपको सिलेक्ट करना पड़ता है कि एसएल भी चेक करो, एसएल बिट लगाओ, फिर प्राइस डालो, प्राइस फिर ट्रिगर डालो। तो ये सिलेक्शन वाला चीज जो है ना, ये बहुत मतलब इसमें बहुत टाइम चला जाता है। इफ यू आर
ओके
मतलब इफ यू वांट टू डू दैट, नहीं क्या, आपको क्लोज करना है पोजीशन या जो भी ऐसे ऐसे लगाना है आपको, वो एग्जीक्यूट मतलब ये नहीं करना है, स्क्वेयर अप नहीं करना है आपको, ऐसे लगाना है तो फास्ट करना है तो ऐसे लगाओ, ट्रिगर लगाओ। ये जो होता है, ये सिलेक्शन जो वो थोड़ा सा हैंडी नहीं लग रहा मुझे।
थोड़ा यूजर इंटरफेस में थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूव करना
यस,
चाहिए।
आप कभी भी जाओगे ना, तो
हाँ
जैसे कि जीरोडा है या कोई भी अपना, इवन अपना ये ट्रेड स्मार्ट का ही हम लोग जाएंगे ना अपना ऐप
हाँ
वाले में, तो वहां पे आपको क्या आता है कि ऐसे क्लिक करो कि भाई ये सेल करना है, ये सेल
हाँ हाँ
क्लिक
हाँ
करो,
हाँ।
मार्केट ऑर्डर करो, ये करो वो करो। तो
ओके।
उसमें क्या है कि क्लिक में क्या होता है, फट करके, इसमें क्या है, ड्रॉप डाउन में क्या होता है कि
हम्म।
आपको जो है टाइम जाता है उसमें, ड्रॉप डाउन में आप कौन सा सेलेक्ट करो, फिर ट्रिगर में जाओ, ये करो, फिर से ऐसे
ओके
लगाओ,
ओके ओके
लिमिट डालो।
लाइक
तो ये टीडीएस टास्क है, ये वो
हाँ
थोड़ा
आपको
सा जो है ना,
चाहिए
ये देखो
एक
ना, अभी आप इधर जाओगे ना, ठीक है
टॉगल
ना।
बटन ऐसा,
हाँ,
ये चलेगा ना ऐसा टॉगल बटन।
करेक्ट, वो चलेगा वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं। बट ये जो है
आप
ना सर,
एक
ये
चीज
ये
कर
लिमिट
सकते हैं ना
वाला है
लाइक
कि
आप,
नहीं।
या आपका
लिमिट में जो है
एक
ना, यहाँ पे 3 ऑप्शन आना चाहिए सर, जैसे
हम्म,
कि आप जो है ना लिमिट का क्लिक करो,
पेमेंट।
या अपने क्या बोलते हैं, ये सेल पे लगाओ या मार्केट ऑर्डर पे, या ये 3 ऑप्शन यहाँ पे क्लिक करने के लिए आएंगे ना,
हाँ
तो
हाँ
इजी हो जाएगा। इसमें ड्रॉप डाउन में थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो
ओके
जाता है, या
ओके।
टाइम चला जाता है
एक
उसमें।
एक चीज है ना, आपका डिफॉल्ट का सेटिंग कर सकते हैं ना लाइक
किसमें किसमें? नहीं पर
इधर।
सर, उसमें जो है संजय के, मैं समझो मैं गया वहां पे, उसमें क्या है कि मुझे एग्जिट पोजीशन करना है, आप
हाँ हाँ
समझो।
ओके
तो वहां
ओके
पे मुझे
ओके।
एसएल लगाने के लिए वो सेम में से जाना है, मार्केट लगाओ, लिमिट लगाओ, एसएल लगाओ।
ठीक है
तो
ठीक है।
3 ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करना पड़ता है वहां पे, कौन सा जाना है। तो उसके लिए क्या है कि तीनों ऑप्शन सामने रहेंगे, तो मुझे खाली क्या है कि टिक करना है कि भाई हाँ एसएल लगाना है, चलो एसएल डाल दिया, चलो ट्रिगर हो तो डालना ही है मुझे। बट
हाँ
ये ड्रॉप डाउन में थोड़ा सा दिक्कत आता है, और उसमें कंफ्यूजन भी हो जाता है। ऐसे फास्ट में हम जब भी, अभी आपको तो पता
मैं
है,
इसको नोट कर
ऑप्शन
देता हूँ।
बाइंग जो होता है या जो भी सेलिंग भी है, आपको बहुत फास्ट एग्जीक्यूशन करना पड़ता है। तो उसमें कभी कभी क्या होता है, बैंक निफ्टी विद इन सेकंड्स वो 20 पॉइंट चला जाता है, 20 पॉइंट नीचे में आ जाते हैं, तब तक आप बुक करने तक खत्म हो जाते हैं।
हाँ 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 ओके ओके गॉट इट। ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूशन लाइक
वो थोड़ा सा कैसे कि अपना, इवन आप अपना ट्रेड स्मार्ट एप्लीकेशन पे भी जाओगे ना, तो वहाँ पे ऐसे टिक करने का होता है, एसएल पे टिक करो, या इसमें क्या बोलते हैं, स्क्वायर अप वाला, उसमें एसएल रहता है, उसमें मार्केट ऑर्डर और लिमिट ऑर्डर, ऐसे 3 रहते हैं, खाली टिक करना होता है आपको, ड्रॉप डाउन नहीं होता है वहाँ
ओके 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 हाँ ओके गॉट इट।
पे।
मैंने
ड्रॉप डाउन इज थोड़ा सा ये
ये
है।
पॉइंट को नोट कर दिया मैंने लाइक
ठीक है, बट ये प्रेप चार्ट वाला तो आप देख लो सर, उसको पॉप आउट होना चाहिए। ओके के पॉप आउट में खाली फुल स्क्रीन होता है, तो उसमें ना उतना नहीं कर पाते, और ये स्किप करेंगे तो वापस आ जाते हो।
ओके
ठीक
ओके
है ना।
ओके थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सर।
ओके so next SMA for single leg is in selling in BNF, where to place stop loss. Okay, you are going for a single leg in BNF, then stop loss should be below SMA. Okay, so even if you are trailing, you can use SMA or if you can use super trend. So this both are working good. So question was where to place the stop loss if I'm using a single leg. So either it can be you can trail it with points, or you can use SMA itself as a trailing stop loss, and or even super trend. Everything will work. Okay. So if I want to trade in FinNifty on expiry day, then how much premium strike I have to see? What I normally do, not more than 300 rupees. Okay. So I took yesterday 10 points just because I know that it is going to cross 22,000, because yesterday, like US market shot up very well, and we were absolutely on the negative territory. So I know that it is going to go up. So I just took 500 rupees premium, which was means cumulative 500 rupees. But normally what I do, 200 to 300 rupees. Let's say for FinNifty, if it is 40 lot size, then go for 5 premium, or 6 or 7 premium, not more than that. Okay, this will work. if you are going for a higher premium and if there is a decay, then you are going to lose more also. Okay, this is only hero or zero call. So whether if it is zero also, it should not affect you much. Don't go more than 1% of your capital, or if your capital is very less, you can just take some risk. Okay, like that we can do it. But your probability is going to be very, very less, like only 30%, not more than that. But risk to reward, you need to have at least 1:5. Minimum, you should have 1:5. If you are not having 1:5 risk reward, if you are buying for 10 points, let's say, and you are keeping a stop loss, your stop loss is around 5 points, then you should at least get 25 points. Otherwise, this trade is of no use. In long run, you will make losses only. Okay. So if you go for 1:1, 1:2, even 1:3 will not work. Okay. So next question, desktop app hai kya? Yeah, no, there is no app as such of for now, but um, see, for desktop, I don't think app is necessary. But for yeah, for mobile, we have app. Okay. Any better indicator for yeah? So you can use Super Trend instead of SMA. Both will work. Recording will be available maybe on Monday or Tuesday. It will be in our channel. Okay. So, okay. Any other doubts? I think already most of them left. Okay. So if there is no doubts, then we can wind up. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Channel name for recording. InstaOptions. Or you can use the Grow Smart with trading, both. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.